सुन लिया भाई, अब आगे बढ़ो, कुछ नया बजाओ तो।
ये बड़ा जानवर है, ये आपके छोटे पिंजरे में नहीं समाएगा, ये अपनी दुनिया बनाएगा।
Welcome to another video of Good News Perspective. It's true, in the Hindi cinema industry सिर्फ कुछ ही ऐसे एक्टर्स आए हैं जिन्होंने एक सुपरस्टार ऑरा के साथ साथ हर मूवी में अपने बेहतरीन एक्टिंग से ऑडियंस का दिल जीता है. Rarely do we witness such a phenomenon, as most stars tend to stop evolving their craft and improving their acting abilities as their stardom and popularity grow. However, in the current era, Ranbir Kapoor is one actor who showcases his growth and commitment with every new movie. He thoroughly understands and embraces his director's vision, delivering stellar performances that surprise his audience every time. And just like that, today we will discuss and analyze how Ranbir Kapoor has become an exceptional performer with each new venture. अपने करियर के फर्स्ट 6 years रणबीर ने 2 कमिंग ऑफ एज रोम-कॉम ड्रामास की, which were directed by Ayan Mukherjee, where he played the roles of Sid Mehra and Kabir Thapar. ये दोनों ही characters were spoiled brats with carefree attitudes, living life to the fullest with an immature understanding of financial matters.
हाथ का मैल होता है पैसा, इसे बचाते नहीं, उड़ाते हैं.
In the 2009 release Wake Up Sid, Ranbir's portrayal of a college kid with no ambitions who later nurtures his hobby into a lifestyle convinced audiences that Ranbir is here to stay big time. His stone look while seeing the final results of his college exams was performed accurately.
गलत नंबर पे चेक किया होगा, फिर से चेक करते हैं.
Additionally, the scene where Sid gets excited after frying eggs and runs towards Aisha to show his small achievement depicts Sid's slow transformation from a boy to a man, with Ranbir giving totally natural expressions. When Sid was clicking pictures of his neighbor with her son, he soon realized the absence of his mother. Ranbir's eyes literally acted in this scene. In the 2013 film Ye Jawani Hai Diwani was a commercial success and a fun-fest, predictable film. Ranbir's act was appreciated by cinegoers, where he played Bunny, a boy who dreams of traveling the world, experiencing new adventures and pursuing a career that allows him to live life on his own terms. In the scene where Avi offended Bunny by saying he didn't even attend his own father's funeral, Ranbir gives a stone look which he has mastered by now.
और कैसे ना लगता, तू तो अपने सगे बाप के मैयत तक पे नहीं आया.
Another memorable scene is when Ranbir had to do a realization scene where he remembers his father's words. Just look at how his body language is completely immersed in that scene to portray that emotion. डायरेक्टर अनुराग बसु ने रणबीर को हमेशा एक डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कैरेक्टर में कास्ट किया है, सच एज द डेफ म्यूट मर्फी छेत्री और द स्टैमरिंग जग्गा राणा बागची. रणबीर ने दोनों ही जॉनर्स ऑफ पीरियड रोमांटिक ड्रामा एंड म्यूजिकल एडवेंचर कॉमेडी में एक्सेल किया, डिलीवरिंग लवेबल, हार्ट वार्मिंग एंड करिस्मेटिक परफॉर्मेंसेस.
जिंदा है.
The much acclaimed 2012 film Barfi featured Ranbir as Murphy, also known as Burfi, who lives with his father and becomes entangled in a love triangle. After this role, Ranbir truly entered the league of great actors. One remarkable scene showcased Burfi's hurt when Shruti chose another man over him, marking the first time he felt bad about being disabled. Ranbir's performance was breathtaking in this. Additionally, his mannerisms and careful gestures towards Jhilmil, being responsible for her despite facing hurdles in his own life, were commendable. His bewildered look when anything went wrong was extremely natural and heartfelt. People don't often talk about it, but the way he paid tribute to Charlie Chaplin in the film was delightful and on point. The 2017 Jagga Jasoos was ahead of its time. Ranbir's character Jagga faced a stammering problem and communicated in songs, as advised by his father. Despite the film's production delays and working on another film simultaneously, Ranbir enacted his comical Tintin-esque character perfectly. His stammering looked natural and real in every scene.
में कुछ फूल देर से खिलते हैं, मेरे वर्ड्स भी सो के निकलते हैं,
इसलिए गा के बोलता हूँ ताकि स्मूथ हो जाए.
His animated expressions were not easy to deliver. While doing a Disney film, the character could overact, but Ranbir maintained the appropriate persona. His detective solving scenes were also well acted, where he truly got into the character.
हमारे इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेंट और कल्चर क्लब की हार्ट एंड सोल थी.
सुसाइड नहीं, मर्डर है.
चकापोला मर्डर है. चकापोला मर्डर है. चकापोला मर्डर है. चकापोला मर्डर है.
Ranbir Kapoor और इम्तियाज अली का combination is celebrated among Indian film audiences. Having produced cult classics, the characters of Jordan in Rockstar and Ved in Tamasha have their own dedicated fan bases. The romantic drama with the themes of music and psychology respectively in both films solidified Ranbir's acting credibility through layered performances. The 2011 classic Rockstar was a turning point for Ranbir. His portrayal of a North Delhi boy dreaming of becoming a musician resonated deeply with audiences. He completely camouflaged himself in the role of Jordan, with his character transformation from Janardhan to Jordan being a masterclass for aspiring actors. The part where he tells Khatana Bhai that his heart should not be broken had immense conviction, showcasing strong acting through dialogue delivery and eyes.
मेरा दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए खटाना भाई, मेरा दिल नहीं टूटना चाहिए. प्लीज खटाना भाई, प्लीज कुछ करो, मेरे पास और कुछ नहीं है.
Jordan's characteristics of immaturity, naivety, and rebellious nature were brought from paper to screen by Ranbir like a true artist. Often it appeared like a documentary of a real musician.
तेरी पॉपुलैरिटी गिरती जा रही है. मैं तुझसे पूछना चाहता.
Even the way he held the guitar evolved as the film progressed, conveying emotions through it. When shown in the studio, he struggled with his rhythm, but with Ustad Jameel Khan, he performed smoothly, feeling trapped in the studio but free-spirited with Jameel Ji's belief in him. The polarity Ranbir displayed from wishing for heartbreak in college to becoming the rock star was amazingly portrayed. Even today, Tamasha from 2015 has divided opinions. The characters of Ved dealt with many conflicts and mental health crises. The film's theme as depicted by Ali in this non-linear narrative film. Ved's two identities are shown, one he wants to become and the other shaped by societal expectations. The scene where Ved throws away his books in frustration, then starts studying again, depicts how Ranbir perfectly embodies the character. His loss of charm and dominance over time was well acted with his body language.
Once. साइलेंट पे कर देता हूँ.
Ali presented Ranbir in polarity, one side living a dream life with a fake personality and the other stuck in a corporate world.
हाँ तो रहा है. और जो आगे लगने वाली है, बहुत करारी, वो तो तेरी लगेगी ना साले.
The outburst scene where emotions stampeded in front of Tara, his boss and his parents showed his inability to express his true passion and desires.
बात है
एवरेज हूँ, वो जैसा सब होते हैं वो चलते रहते हैं ना फुटपाथ पे ब्रीफकेस लेकर, वैसे ही मीडियोकर।
वेद, वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ, वही तो तुम नहीं हो। मैं जानती हूँ तुम कौन हो।
हाँ, तू जानती है मैं कौन हूँ और कोई नहीं जानता। मेरे घर वाले, मेरे दोस्त, मैं खुद नहीं जानता, मगर तू 7 दिन कोर्सिका में तू पक्का जाननी है कि मैं कौन हूं। तो क्या आप मुझे माफ कर सकते हो? माफ कर सकते हो? प्लीज सर, माफ करते हो या नहीं? करना कुछ दिन हो गए,
2 दिन, 10 दिन, 2 महीने,
6 महीने हो गए। अब ऐसी कोई टेंशन नहीं है।
6 महीने? तो 6 महीने से कर क्या रहे हो तुम? क्या हो गया है वेद तुमको? क्या बात है?
माँ प्लीज अब ड्रामा मत क्रिएट करो।
ड्रामा ये क्रिएट कर रही है। 6 महीने से जॉब नहीं है, हवा में लटके हुए हो, और शक्ल देखो ड्रग एडिक्ट वाली हो गई है, और किसी की बात तो
मैं आज ही वापस चला जाता हूँ।
अरे
वेद, वेद,
चला जाता हूँ पापा। यहाँ वही होने वाला है, आप वही कहने वाले हैं कि ड्यूटी क्या होती है और मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल कब बनूं।
Before moving ahead, it's important to highlight Ranbir's exceptional comic timing in Rajkumar Santoshi's 2009 film Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani. Mastering slapstick comedy is challenging, yet Ranbir excelled, showcasing his versatility as a complete actor.
तुम बहुत अच्छे हो, I like you. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो, I like you.
कुछ कहा तुमने?
तुम बहुत अच्छे हो, I like you.
थैंक यू बेटा।
Additionally, in Prakash Jha's 2010 film Rajniti, Ranbir's portrayal of a young political hire garnered widespread acclaim, standing out even among a cast of seasoned actors in this multi-starrer. ड्रामा बायोपिक विद हिरानी और रिवेंज एक्शन ड्रामा फिल्म बाय वांगा ने रणबीर को वाइड स्प्रेड अक्लेम दिलवाया. Playing Sanjay Dutt and Ranvijay Singh made him a household name among the mass audience as well. These super and all-time blockbusters cemented his superstar chameleon-like ability to embody Sanjay Dutt so convincingly that audiences forgot they were watching an actor. His replication of Sanjay Dutt's tone, swagger and mannerisms was flawless.
ड्रग एडिक्ट हूं सब हूं.
In the 2023 blockbuster Animal, Ranbir was celebrated in theaters, portraying a troublesome character who is a rich, arrogant brat. The non-linear narrative explored Ranvijay's complex relationship with his father, with Ranbir's transition from a rebellious teenager to a hardened animal being a masterclass. Be it his father's argument scene in the climax, where his dialogue delivery was top-notch.
मैं वेट करता रहा.
विजय थिंक बियॉन्ड बर्थडे. लाइफ में कुछ बनना है कि नहीं, या सिर्फ मेरी पूंछ बन के मेरे पीछे घूमना है?
Or the argument with his brother-in-law. Ranbir truly embodied Ranvijay's characteristics.
एक बंदर का फर्क है.
How dare you say that?
I already did दीदी.
Shut up, sorry बोल, apologize to him right now.
उसको बोल. You're not listening what he's saying to me. और एक बार और शट अप बोल दी ना, केक घुसा दूंगा मुंह में.
Hey hero, shut up. मेरे और मेरे बहन के बीच में मत आना, समझा?
The arrogance, various emotional outbursts, and nuanced acting were classy. His bad boy aura, gangster mannerism, and distinctive walk were all lessons in acting excellence.
I'm sorry, माफ कर दो मुझे.
अरे क्या हो रहा है यार ये सब? पापा आपने कुछ कहा क्या ऐसे? सुन, मैंने तुझे कुछ कहा? नहीं सुदेन
In conclusion, we have discussed Ranbir Kapoor's remarkable journey as an actor, highlighting how his skills continue to soar with each new film. We eagerly anticipate his upcoming ventures such as Ramayan, Animal Park, and Love and War, hoping they will be blockbusters in both critical and commercial terms. Till then, we will meet in the next video, and do recommend which topic you wanna see us discuss in the comment section.